It's hot.
All right, ding, ding, ding. Let them talk, y'all. Here we go.
Come on, pig, let's go. Cam up. Show everybody how big of a fucking catfish you are, you fucking slob. Come on, you want to talk shit? Come on, Barbie.
Don't be so
Come on.
abrasive. Not too big.
I spent the last fucking month ignoring your fucking dumbass. Your stupid fucking videos. Dude, move on, bitch. Move on. Is it that fucking complicated to move on with your life? I did.
All right, Barbie. Now you talk.
I've already been through two, Barbie. Two. I moved on twice now, bro. Move on with your fucking life, hoe bag.
You had so much to say, Barbie. Why are you on mute? Unmute, Barbie.
Come on, Barbie.
Let her talk, though.
I wasn't on mute. I didn't put myself on mute.
I didn't do it. You were muted. So why did you say a while ago, be careful to Daria?
Yeah, come on. Come on. I'm ex-law enforcement. I'm never laid my hands on anybody. I'll get my ex-wife up here right now.
And then you said something about using. Well, that ain't a
Bet I will.
Yeah, that's why you
Bet I will, Sarah.
After Lisa, right?
You want me to get Lisa up here? She'll tell you I never laid my hands on her.
Wait, we all know what happened
right now.
Barbie, we all know what happened with him and Lisa. Are you fucking kidding right now?
Five hours later.
Here, I smoke $1,200 a day.
Your front door.
No, he just got all this money off the internet from his friends, and then he's.
Dude, I haven't. Do you understand? I haven't got a dollar. I had someone offer me money the other day. I told him to get fucked.
The bills that he owed with Lisa.
Many hours later.
This may continue on your channel, Barbie, right? No, I like this. Go ahead.
No, it's gonna continue somewhere. Wherever I find the bitch, it'll continue.
Okay, so you want to confront somebody again or somebody new? All right.
Someone new. I didn't bring it up tonight because I got interrupted quite a few times.
I mean, that clue may make it happen quicker or slower. Just saying. If nobody fucking knows, or if that person doesn't know, Barbie, they may not know to join.
Oh no, I don't think she knows yet. I'm pretty sure she does.
What do you want them to do? Leave a comment under your recent video or what? You might want to name.
No.
I mean, it would help if you named the fucking person.
No, I'm gonna keep it a secret.
So they might not join your fucking panel.
And if you think it's you, then it's probably you. But
how would they know to join your fucking panel if you don't name the motherfucker?
I don't want her to join my panel.
Then what the fuck are you talking about?
All I'm gonna do is call her fucking ass out.
Oh, so
and if she happens to hear it, then okay, she can come up. But I'm not gonna be nice.
You have the right to do that. So you're gonna call somebody out new. You're saying?
Yes.
All right. Sounds good. But if they appear, but wait, if this mystery person appears in your side chat, will you allow them on panel?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm just telling you right now, I'm not gonna.
Wait, yes or no? We want to know the stipulations. You'll allow.
Yes.
All right. Well, it's good to know.
I always allow anyone up on my panel.
Mysteries piss me off though. Will you just give us a hint? First name, first letter of the first name. Come on, let's do it.
No.
First letter of the first name.
No.
Damn. Nothing.
Nothing. You know what?
Right?
This has been stewing. This has been stewing. Like,
what is it, Mike? I bet Mike knows. What is it?
It's a great pot roast right now.
All right, but at least can we have this clue? Is it a male or a goddamn female?
No, it's a female. Duh. I hate females.
Okay, well that's one clue. Okay, we didn't know. You're gonna call out. Wait a second. I know who you're gonna call out now.
Who am I gonna call out, Em?
Does she got red hair?
No.
She don't?
Mm-mm.
Then I'm wrong.
You are wrong.
They're not redheaded?
Nope.
Are they blonde-headed? I know who it is now.
Shit. See,
Lisa Linlin.
I'm not good at keeping secrets, so we're not gonna go further.
What is it?
No, I can't go after that girl because I can't yell and scream at her and talk over her, so it won't work. Bonds. Yeah. Okay, well, you guys have a great night. Why did you mute me?
I meant to mute myself just then. Sorry.
Oh.
I didn't mean to.
So I gotta go to work in the morning, so I'm gonna go to bed. But tomorrow, let's keep the pot stirring, okay? It's a blonde, and she's a woman, or so I think. It'll continue. And I'm gonna keep getting even more irritated with the fucking bullshit that I hear. And I'm playing your same game that you played, which each and every So, and I didn't want to type this much. So it's two blondes, right? So I'm like the peanut butter in between them.
What?
I'm gonna,
Wait,
gonna,
what? What about peanut butter in between? What?
okay, so I'm a brunette, right? So I'm the peanut butter, and then there's two blondes beside me, and I'm gonna rip you two fucking apart. Got it? All right, I'm done. Good night.
All right, she brought my levels down to 70 again. See, I should be right again. But wow, Barbie, that was great. So you're gonna? I think that was a big threat just now. God damn it! The fuck did I just hear? Rip apart females? She meant lesbian-like and sexually. She was horny. That's what she meant. I hope that she just didn't come up here and threaten people. Fuck. I want to allow it dirt. Coffee time. Yeah, see? Yeah, I think it's time to throw it on her, dirt. Time to throw it.
Can shut up and dribble my balls, you bitch. You don't understand what the problem is. If you believe in the opposite, cool. You got the right to pop off in the comments. I got the right to not even acknowledge it. Ooh, oh good lord, that's frightening. Try stealing my thunder, my lightning. Why is that so surprising? Got him upset like Buster Tyson. It's a big boy bag, better back up, brought back up, but they not my hype man. They can hit shots on you, 3 dots on you, like I'm not done typing.